Hello my babies, welcome back to my channel, to La Familia. Bienvenidos. One more video. I'm back. I hope you guys started your year in perfect and harmonious spirits. I really send this vibe out to you guys, and I hope that you are feeling positive, and I hope that you are ready to manifest, because that's what I'm gonna talk about in this video. So are you ready? Let's go. You are not one of those kind of people that would just sit down and just try to do all these manifestation techniques and expect things to just manifest for you out of the blue. You really need to take action. Taking action is a huge part of the manifesting process, but also if you are not in the right vibe and in the right frequency to manifest, obviously where you are gonna manifest is something that you really don't want to bring into your life. So make sure you first put yourself in that vibe, put yourself in the right track for you to even think about the thing that you want. Let's think about it this way. When you want to manifest something, it looks like it's really far from you, and it looks like it's something huge. It looks like it's something big right in front of you, and you don't know where to start. You don't know how to bring this thing into your life, even start to implement the rules, the techniques that many people talk about here on YouTube. Something that is very straightforward and very simple that helps me a lot during my day: segment manifesting. Focusing on the next segment. Make sure you take it one step at a time. You wake up, do what you need to do, and then what you're gonna eat, you're gonna shower. Okay, then focus on this. Focus on how amazing that shower and that water is going to feel on your body. It's going to refresh you, it's going to wake you up for your day ahead, it's gonna give you that energy. And remember, you are water, so water, it's in us. You are in something that feels so natural for you. You are experiencing and enjoying that moment, so it should be something sacred for you. Say to yourself, I'm gonna enjoy my shower, I love this. Just keep that positive talk. Once you finish your shower and you had a positive experience, it's more likely and easier for your brain to believe that you will actually have a next experience that will be also positive, if that makes sense. And only you can make it positive. Life is full of tests, but you need to be in control of your reactions to the things around you. After that shower, maybe you're going to have your breakfast. Then focus on that. Focus on how amazing, how nourishing, and how all that breakfast and that food is blessed and is going to give you the nutrients to your body, mind, and soul that you need for your day. You're gonna be satisfied. You are blessed and thankful and grateful that you are able to have such food and beautiful ingredients in front of you that you look forward every morning to eat. Like, focus on that. Don't focus on what's gonna happen after this. Don't worry about the rest. The rest will come. That's why it's segment manifesting, because you are manifesting just each action just as positive as you want it to be. And that is how you're going to go through your day. You're going to drive to work, or you're going to commute. Even if obstacles and things come to you and try to, I don't know, your bus is coming late, your train stops in the middle of the tracks, you just like, oh my gosh, don't panic. If that happens and you feel the negative thoughts just creeping, trying to distract you and take you out of alignment, acknowledge these thoughts, but don't give them the time and don't give them that energy, because that energy you needed to continue manifesting your day in the way you want it. You're going to the gym, focus on an amazing workout, focus on all the tension that you are releasing. Such a blessing. Like, you know, you are the creator of your reality, fully and truly. And I don't care if you think that's not true. First of all, if you don't believe that you create your reality, why are you watching this video? Like, there must be something in you that you believe that you have some type of control and power over your life. So deep down, you know you have this control and power, but break it down into segments, into little pieces that you are able to manage. Will start believing that you can actually manifest and create the reality that you desire. So I hope that this tip help you. Feel free to subscribe, feel free to comment, like, hit the thumbs up. I love you, and I will see you all in my next video. And remember, until then, to let the world know who you are. Besos. Bye.